Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to make your space public in X. Making your space public allows others to discover and join your community, fostering engagement and collaboration. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Look for the app icon and tap on it to launch the application. Once inside the app, locate the plus icon. It's usually found at the bottom center or in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to create a new space or access your existing spaces. Step 2. In the Spaces menu, tap on Spaces to proceed to the space management options. Locate the space for which you want to make public and tap on it to edit its information. Step 3. Within the space editing options, find the top drawer above the name of the space. It may be represented by an icon or text. Tap on it to access additional settings for the space. Step 4. Among the settings, look for the option labeled Public. Tap on it to make your space public and allow others to discover and join it. Congratulations, you have successfully made your space public in X. Now your space is open for others to explore, participate, and collaborate within your community. By following these simple steps, you can create a vibrant and engaging environment where like-minded individuals can connect and share ideas. Thank you for watching, and may your public space in X foster meaningful connections and collaborations.